What is the primary aim of the Protection of Personal Information Act, 2013, POPIA, in South Africa? A. To promote transparency in the financial sector. B. To protect personal information processed by public and private bodies. C. To regulate international trade. D. To enhance cybersecurity measures. Correct answer. B. To protect personal information processed by public and private bodies. Which constitutional right does POPIA in South Africa uphold? A. The right to freedom of speech. B. The right to privacy. C. The right to education. D. The right to access public information. Correct answer. B. The right to privacy. What type of information does POPIA aim to protect? A. Only digital information. B. Only health and financial information. C. Any data that can identify an individual. D. Only employment history and biometric information. Correct answer. C. Any data that can identify an individual. How many essential conditions for the lawful processing of personal information does POPIA specify? A. 5. B. 6. C. 8. D. 10. Correct answer. C. 8. What is the role of a data protection officer under POPIA? A. To manage the IT infrastructure of an organization. B. To ensure compliance with POPIA. C. To oversee financial transactions. D. To handle employee relations. Correct answer. B. To ensure compliance with POPIA. Under POPIA, what rights are granted to individuals whose personal data is being processed? A. Right to profit sharing. B. Right to be notified and to object to data processing. C. Right to free services. D. Right to company ownership. Correct answer. B. Right to be notified and to object to data processing. What are the consequences for non-compliance with POPIA? A. Public apology. B. Community service. C. Fines and imprisonment. D. Mandatory training. Correct answer. C. Fines and imprisonment. Under what condition can personal information be transferred out of South Africa according to POPIA? A. If the data subject consents to the transfer. B. If the transfer is necessary for the performance of a contract. C. If the recipient country offers an adequate level of protection. D. If the transfer is for the benefit of the data subject. Correct answer. C. If the recipient country offers an adequate level of protection. What entity is responsible for enforcing POPIA? A. The Cybersecurity Council. B. The Information Regulator. C. The Data Protection Agency. D. The National Privacy Commission. Correct answer. B. The Information Regulator. What is required from responsible parties in terms of data security under POPIA? A. Encryption of all personal data. B. Securing the integrity and confidentiality of personal data. C. Storage of data in a physical safe. D. Regular audits by external security firms. Correct answer. B. Securing the integrity and confidentiality of personal data. What does POPIA mandate in the event of a data breach? A. Immediate shutdown of systems. B. Notification to the information regulator and affected data subjects. C. A press conference. D. Payment of damages to affected individuals. Correct answer. B. Notification to the information regulator and affected data subjects. Who must appoint a data protection officer according to POPIA? A. Only public bodies. B. Only private corporations with more than 50 employees. C. Any entity that processes personal data. D. Only financial institutions. Correct answer. C. Any entity that processes personal data. What kind of penalties can be imposed for violating POPIA? A. Verbal warnings. B. Mediation sessions. C. Fines and/or imprisonment. D. Suspension of business license. Correct answer. C. Fines and/or imprisonment. Can personal data be processed without the consent of the data subject under POPIA? A. Yes, in all cases. B. No, under no circumstances. C. Yes, if it is necessary for the legitimate interests pursued by a responsible party. D. Only if the data subject is a child. Correct answer. C. Yes, if it is necessary for the legitimate interests pursued by a responsible party. What does the term processing encompass under POPIA? A. Only the collection and storage of personal data. B. Only the analysis and reporting of personal data. C. Any operation or set of operations performed on personal data. D. Only the destruction of personal data. Correct answer. C. Any operation or set of operations performed on personal data. How does POPIA define personal information? A. Information relating to an identifiable, living person. B. Information relating to companies and legal entities. C. Publicly available information. D. Information related to the state's national security. Correct answer. A. Information relating to an identifiable, living person. What must be ensured before personal information is processed according to POPIA? A. That it is directly related to the activities of a social club. B. That it is for academic research purposes only. C. That it complies with the conditions for lawful processing. D. That the information is older than 10 years. Correct answer. C. That it complies with the conditions for lawful processing. What is a responsible party's obligation regarding the accuracy of personal information under POPIA? A. They must ensure it is accurate, complete, and updated where necessary. B. They are not required to check the accuracy of the information. C. They must only update information older than 5 years. D. They must delete inaccurate information without replacing it. Correct answer. A. They must ensure it is accurate, complete, and updated where necessary. Under what circumstances can a data subject request the deletion of their personal information according to POPIA? A. When the data subject no longer uses the services of the responsible party. B. When the information has been obtained unlawfully. C. At any time, without providing any reason. D. Only if the information is incorrect. Correct answer. B. When the information has been obtained unlawfully.